Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today what I want to show you guys is how to get a measurement off your guys' coordinate system. So as you can see right now, we kind of have a coordinate system just kind of floating off there. It's not really on the part and it's not touching anything. So I have no really points of reference for that coordinate system right now. So what you guys can actually do is you have the option to get measurements off there. Well, like right now, I can try to click on it, but there's nothing there. So if you guys actually toggle over to your SolidWorks tab, and over at the bottom, you guys will see a 3D sketch right here, and that's for your coordinate system. So if we come in here and do unsuppress, and then we can do a show, what it's going to actually do is it's going to give us a XY location for us as a 3D sketch geometry. So now if we need to get a measurement off of a hole or whatever, we can actually get a measurement from right there to the hole and get our center distance just as a verification. So you guys do have the ability to get measurements off of there. You just have to come over here and do a unsuppress and show. Now, if this is not showing up for you guys in your SolidWorks, that means it's been turned off in your SolidCAM settings. And easy enough to turn that on is just go to your Tools, SolidCAM, and SolidCAM settings. And we'll go over to the coordinate system definition page right here. And at the very bottom is where we need to turn it on. So by hitting that checkbox, it's creating a CAD coordinate system with every MAC position that we add on there, or position as well. So that way you guys can get measurements off of that and do get good reference geometry and be able to actually physically click on that coordinate system for mates, constraints, and measurements and all that sort. So just want to show you guys that for the KevCAM tip of the day today, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks guys. Have a great evening.